Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create a collage on Instagram story. So if you want to use multiple photos, pictures, or different images as a photo collage on your Instagram story, but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create a collage on Instagram story, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be Android, it could be on iPhone. Then you can click on the plus button and then select your story, or better still, swipe right, then it should say your story. Click on this arrow button, pointed arrow button, then locate and click on layout. Once you click on layout, you should see your layout, and the layout is going to be in form of a collage. Then click on this pointed arrow as well. Then click on this more collage to choose the collage you want to set. So here, let's say you want to set 4 different collages. So just select 4. If you want to set 6, select 6. So you can have a maximum of 6 collages on your Instagram story. So click on layout, select your collage, and there you're good. Now, for you to create a collage with your picture, once you have the collage like this, go ahead and click on this plus button at the bottom left. Then scroll through and locate photo or picture you want to use as one of the collage. So let's say this. Then the second collage space will open again. Then scroll down, choose another image. Then the third one will also open. So scroll through, select whatever you want to use as part of the collage. You can also use the front camera to snap the collage. You see this? Now for you to remove any of the collage, just press it and tap trash on it. Then add another one to the collage. So just scroll down until you find another image you want to use as part of the Instagram photo collage. Then you have it like this. You can also rearrange the collage. Just press and hold it, then drag around to rearrange the collage. You see that? Now once you are done, click on the check button and then should say find the avatar stickers. Now to check this in your story, just go ahead and click on your story. Then you should see the photo collage sent to your story. If you click on it, then this is how your story is going to be. You see that? So that is exactly how to create a collage on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.